Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, PRESTONE TYNSONG, had briefed reporters on the current situation within the state as far as the pandemic is concerned. PRESTONE TYNSONG on the 5th of January 2021, while stating that everything is under control, urged upon all citizens of the state to stay calm and not panic, especially with the onset of the OMICRON variant of the coronavirus, whose infection rate is supposed to be higher than the other variants.
The situation is, I shouldn't say much, but as of today, people should not just be panicky. I think be cool, calm. Everything is under control. 50 plus positive today came out. The trend maybe it keep increasing. We don't know tomorrow what will happen. Day after tomorrow will happen. But my only suggestion, request from the government side to all the citizens of the state to kindly stay safe, take care of yourself. And I don't have to repeat the same thing, wearing mask or your regular hand wash or social distance. I think that is already there in the mind of every citizen of the state. So what I'm trying to tell here is this: don't be panicky. Everything is under control, and we need to learn more that we have to live with the virus. And that if you talk with the medical scientists of WHO or of different state government, means we need to learn how to live with the virus. When I say you need to learn how to live with the virus, means remember the standard protocols which was already in place 2 years back.
On the question of another lockdown in the state, the Deputy Chief Minister stated that such a situation is not called for, as the state of Meghalaya has been economically affected for the past 2 years. He therefore appealed to all citizens of the state to maintain and adhere to the standard operating procedures that have been put in place by the Health Department so as to curb the spread of the COVID-19 virus in the state of Meghalaya.
Like I said, the question of lockdown does not arise, and that would be the last resort if you have to. But taking into consideration what has happened 2 years back, we have seen people suffered a lot economically. So I think if you ask Meghalaya government or any other government in the country, I think they will not prefer at all for lockdown. We are not at all preferred for lockdown.
In the meantime, PRESTONE TYNSONG also urged upon all citizens who are between 15 to 18 years of age and of other age groups to get themselves vaccinated as a means of protection against the severity of the COVID-19 virus.
I'm telling you, each and every citizen of the state from 15 years and above, our advisory is very clear. Please go and get yourself vaccinated, because this is the only way out. Well, people ask questions. I think I saw posted in YouTube this that. They said that what is the point of taking vaccination? Because again, we get infection. Again, those vaccinated people, they get infected, right? But let us be very, very clear. Vaccination is to reduce the severity, the fatality. Though you get infected, but severity will not be there, and then you will not succumb to the virus. That's why I'm telling you, the entire world, why they keep pressurizing citizens of the respective country, go for vaccination, do vaccination. When you do vaccination means you get yourself protected. You get yourself protected, not infection, but you get yourself protected from severity and succumbing to the virus.